Greetings and welcome to the virtual classes of English Literature for Class 3. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3, Save Water, Save the World. Water. Water is precious for our survival on this planet. It is essential for all living beings. Many a time we waste water mindlessly. So before it's too late, we should save water and it will save us. Thus, in this story, we are going to learn about, or we can say, this story draws attention to one of the most important thing in our everyday life. So, students, open your book, Roots and Wing, English Literature, Lesson 3, Save Water, Save the World, on page number 36. Let's begin. Roshan woke up earlier than usual, got ready, and left for school. He was waiting eagerly for this day. After all, he would meet his friends after the long summer holidays. There are so much to tell them. He met his best friend, Sadiq, at the gate and smiled. Hi, Sadiq. How were the holidays? What did you do during the vacation? My sister and I joined karate classes and learned quite a lot about different kicks and punches. They entered the classroom. Soon, Mrs. Shane They entered the classroom. Soon, Mrs. Sain, their teacher, came in. Roshan and Sadiq greeted her with others. The teacher asked how they spent their holidays. The teacher pointed at Roshan. Hello, Roshan. You told me that you would go to Samarpur in Rajasthan during the holidays. How was the trip? Roshan said, It was great, but I was worried because there was an acute shortage of water. My uncle, aunt, and cousin lived there. Many wells had dried up. The water level in our well had also gone down. Some women had to walk up to 5 kilometers to fetch water. Sadiq looked surprised. He joined the conversation. But I am sure there are tube wells in the villages. Roshan agreed. You are right. But if the level of water really goes down, the tube wells are also of no use. Roshan woke up early today than usual days and got up ready and left for the school. As he was waiting too eagerly for this day because after summer vacation, or we can say after summer holiday, it was the first day of the school. He was too eager to tell everyone about his holidays and also to hear it from his friends. As he reached school, he met his best friend Sadiq at the gate only. And with a smile, he said, Hi Sadiq, how was his holidays? He asked about his holiday, his vacation. What did you do in your holidays? Sadiq, with broad smile on his face, replied that it was wonderful and he was here throughout the vacation. He and his sister both joined karate classes and learned quite a lot about different kicks and punches. While talking, they enter in their classroom. Their teacher, Mrs. Sain, she also came. Roshan, Sadiq, and other students, they greeted. Then the teacher asked to everyone how they have spent their holidays. Teacher pointed towards Roshan and asked to tell about his trip in Samarpur in Rajasthan. She asked to tell all the details what he did in Samarpur in Rajasthan during the holidays. Rohan replied that it was great, but he is worried too because there is a severe problem and that is shortage of water. His uncle, aunt, and cousin lived there. Many wells got dried up, means water level went down and there is no water in it. Some women they had to walk up to 5 kilometers or more to fetch water, to bring water. Listening to this, Sadiq was surprised and he also joined the conversation between Roshan and teacher. Sadiq said, "But he is sure that there are tube wells in the village too." Roshan replied, "Yes, there it is. You are right. But if water level goes down, then there is no use of tube wells." The teacher spoke now. "Children, I told you all to collect information about water shortage, its causes, and ways of conserving water. I am sure you all have done that. But before we talk about it, I want you all to read what I have written on the poster." The children looked at the poster. She continued after a few minutes. "Now, will you all remember this?" "Yes, ma'am," said the children. Then teacher spoke. "Children, I told you all to collect the information about the shortage of water, its causes, and what are the method of conserving water." Teacher also said that she's sure about that you all have collected the information, but before that we should talk about or we should discuss about it. I want to read whatever I have written on the poster. The children looked at the poster and after a few minutes she continued and said, "Now I hope you all will remember this." Children replied, "Yes, ma'am." "Mitra, what do you have to say about water scarcity?" The teacher turned to him. Mitra answered, "Here is a list I have made. I will read it out now. Delhi also has acute water shortage. The water level in the Yamuna had gone down in summer. People in many parts used to get water supply for only an hour during the day. To overcome the shortage, they had to store water. All over the world, water shortage is an ever growing problem. The situation is improving now after the rains. You have mentioned the details of the situation clearly. Now, Sadiq, give us some points about ways to save water in our homes." "Yes, ma'am," said Sadiq. "Mitra, one of the student, teacher asked him to give the information or whatever information he collected about the water scarcity." Mitra replied that I made a list and I am going to read aloud. Delhi is facing the problem of less or shortage of water. The water level in the Yamuna river gone down in summer. Many parts of or many places people used to get water supply only for 1 hour during the day. To overcome with the problem, people used to collect or store water. In whole world, shortage of water increasing day by day and now it became world's ever growing problem. The situation sometimes improves just because of rains. Mitra explained each and every detail, whatever the data or information he collected about the water shortage, that Delhi is facing the same problem of water shortage because Yamuna river its water level goes down mostly in summer. People in many parts or many places they get only 1 hour water supply and that too during the day only. To overcome with the shortage of water, they used to collect waters in bucket, tank, etc. all over the world. This is the world's ever growing problem. Everyone in the world is facing this problem. The situation sometimes improves just because of rain. Then teacher replied that detail and situation, whatever Mitra collected, it is mentioned very nicely and it is clear. Now Sadik, give some points regarding how to save water in our homes. Sadik replied, yes ma'am. Sadik got up and read out the following points from a sheet. We should use a bucket for bathing. We should turn off the taps tightly after use. We can use water used for washing vegetables and fruits to water the plants. We can grow plants in our garden that need less water. The washing machines and dishwasher should be used only when they are full. All the pipes and taps should be checked for any leaks. Those are very important points, Sadik. Now, Nisha can also share some points with the class, said the teacher. Now, when teacher asked Sadik to give some information regarding how to save water, Sadik got up and started reading some of the points to save the water in our homes. And they are: we should use a bucket for bathing instead of showers or bathtubs. We should turn off the taps tightly after use. After using the taps, it should be closed tightly. We can use water used for washing vegetables and fruits to water the plants. After washing vegetable and fruits, the water can be reused for watering the plants. We can also grow the plants in our garden which need less water. When washing machines and dishwasher should be full, then we should use it not for the single clothes or single utensils. That means when the machines are full, then only we should use it. All the pipes and the taps should be checked for any leaks. All pipes and taps should be checked regularly to avoid leakage and the wastage of water. Teacher said, yes, these are the important points to be followed, whichever told by Sadik. Now, Nisha, you can also share some point with the class, said the teacher. Nisha got up. Yes, sure, ma'am. Here are some important points mentioned in my list. We should water the plants before 9 am or after 7 pm. The soil will stay wet for longer this way. It helps to save water. Use a bucket instead of bathtub for bathing. Now Nisha got up when teacher told her to share some important points regarding how to save the water. She stood up and started reading some of the points whatever she has mentioned in her list. And that are: we should water the plants before 9 am in morning or after 7 pm in evening. This way the soil will stay wet for longer. It saves water. It does not require to water the plants many times. We can use a bucket instead of bathtub or shower for bathing. Sadik got up next and said, I read in the newspaper that people have started rainwater harvesting in many places. The government is also helping the people in this matter. The teacher then said, children, all the above points are important. There are many reasons that have caused water shortage. What are they? After Nisha, Sadik got up and said that he read many newspapers in which it was mentioned that many people started rainwater harvesting in many places. Government is also helping the people in this matter. Then teacher replied to children that all the point which you have shared with the class are very important. There are many reasons that they have caused water problem, the shortage of water problem. And what are the reason? What are they? Sadik said, I would like to share some points here. Many trees have been cut down and many new high rise buildings are being built. Water is also used for building new malls and hotels. Due to such activities, the groundwater level has gone down. Now, Sadiq, he again got up and said that he would like to share some points. And they are: many trees are being put down, means they are cut down, and in that places, many high rising buildings are built. Water is also used for building new malls, hotels, etc. Due to these activities, the water level went down and causes lack of water or shortage of water. The teacher said, "You all have found important details about water shortage and shared them with the class. Remember, water is important for every form of life on our planet." Thus, teacher replied that you all have collected and found important details about the water shortage, and you all have discussed and shared in class as well. Remember, students, water is important for every form of life on our planet. Everyone needs water, not only human beings, but also the plants, trees, birds, insects, animals, etc. Thus, try to save water and save the world. So, students, have you understood the lesson? What lesson you have learned from this story? Okay, I will tell you. The lesson we all have learned that we have to stop wasting water and we have to save water. Follow the point which is shared in this lesson to stop water wastage, because no water means no life. Save the world by saving water. Now it's time for the difficult words. Difficult words: vacation, precious, survival, essential, wonderful, karate, Rajasthan, trip, acute, shortage, fetch, conversation, tube wells, information, conserving, scarcity, Yamuna, dishwasher, newspaper, rainwater, harvesting, government, activities, planet. Now, the home assignment: read the lesson twice, learn all the difficult words, learn the points to save water, to save the world, because no water means no life. Start taking all the initial steps to save water. Commence it, that means start it from your own home. Save the world by saving water. Students, stay safe. Thank you.